Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group as well as a Facebook group. Both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies along with the associate professor vacancies also from one of the open government university. And here the multiple vacancies are there from the multiple departments and the salary is up to 50,000 rupees per month. And there is an opportunity here for the non-UGC-NET, UGC-NET as well as the PhD candidates also. So let us see the details regarding this notification. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC-NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University. So established by Government of Gujarat. And you may check down. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay, so here the contractual advertisement. Okay, so just click on this one. Then you will be downloaded this notice, guys. And here you may check down the contractual recruitment on purely temporary basis. So here the applications are invited for the total 11. That means here the teaching as well as the non-teaching post, both these two are there. So purely temporary basis for 11 months. And here the departments are associate professor in education, special education, Hindi, sociology, Sanskrit, history, English, political science, economics, computer science, journalism and mass communication. And while coming to the assistant professor, here the vacancies are there in the English, Hindi, sociology, special education, political science, computer science and journalism and mass communication. So in the computer science 4 posts are there, and except in the remaining remaining disciplines one post is there. And coming to the associate professor, the fixed salary per month is 50,000 rupees, and while coming to the assistant it is 30,000 rupees per month. And coming to the non-teaching post, here you can check down the regional director from the 4 different centers, that is Bhuj, Surat, Patan and Rajkot, and the assistant regional director from again these 4 centers, senior computer programmer, database and network administrator, university supervisor, technical support engineer and video editor, internet radio operator, senior account superintendent, junior account superintendent and assistant legal officer. So here the number of posts as well as the salary per month is also mentioned here. And coming to the online application duration for all the above posts, 25 Jan 2021 to 14th Feb 2021. Submission of application in hard copy till 17th Feb 2021 by registrar, speed post or courier only. And the detailed information that you may get in the official website. And while coming to the educational qualification, then click on this one. Then you will be directed to this PDF, guys. So we are representing the educational qualification for each and every department clearly they given. And for associate professor, anyhow you need the PhD qualification. And while coming to the assistant professor, that you may check down here. In the special education, master's degree in any subject area with not less than 50% of marks with MED. Okay, so here there is no compulsion of the UGC-NET here, and the preferable and the desirable qualifications are given. And coming to the assistant professor in Hindi, English, sociology and political science, computer science, journalism and mass communication, here the UGC-NET qualification is mandatory. So those are the details given here. And coming to the regional director, the good academic record with the doctoral degree. And coming to the assistant regional director, master's level in humanities and social science, science and technology, management, commerce and professional programs. So coming to the senior computer programmer, okay, MC or MSc, okay, with at least 3 years of experience. And coming to the computer programmer, the same thing. And coming to the database administrator, MC or MSc IT. So these are the qualifications mentioned here. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this link in the description box of this video so that you may check down, guys. And if you are meeting the necessary qualifications and the eligibility, then you may apply here. So click on the apply now. Then you will be directed to this online application portal Okay, so advertisement instructions, details of qualification application form given here. So click on the apply online. Okay, then you will be directed to this website here. So here's the registration first you have to do, and then payment, and then you have to fill up your experience and the qualifications. Okay, so these are the details, guys. And while coming to the online application, here you may check down the different particulars are given here. Okay, signature as well as the photo file. So please keep all of these details ready with you and then start filling up the online application form. Okay, so please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the, looking for such type of opportunities. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.